YouTube, you don't know Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again today with another video. In today's video, it is Vlogmas Day 21. Yes, guys, and today's video, and I'll be showing you guys how you can book your own Jamaica vacation without the help of a travel agent. If that is something that you're interested in seeing, stay tuned for the next clip. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna jump right into this video. I'm just gonna be showing you guys like what you need to do, how you book your flights, and how you book any hotel stay or Airbnb or whatever you need, and how you calculate the total for everything so you have an idea of how much money you need to have a nice Jamaica vacation.
So I like to use my laptop to do my research. First thing I do is I come up with a day that I want to travel on. A day to travel and a day to return. So here you see that I chose my day, and now with that being said, I'm gonna go on Kayak. It's like an Expedia that shows you a bunch of different flights to take. So I enter the date that I want to travel, and it gives me a bunch of options, as you guys can see right here. So I see if there's anything nice. You can also go on other websites, like the actual airline websites, which I prefer to do sometimes. So I'm on Air Canada. I know that I can check, so I'm just searching the day from Air Canada. I also like to check with Soup when going to Jamaica because they have good deals, as well as WestJet. WestJet used to be my #1 airline, but since COVID started, I've been traveling with Air Canada. So I like to compare the prices to see which one is better. So I check with Air Canada first. I see the price. Then I go on to Swoop, and I go on to WestJet. So I like to check the baggage charges too, because checking with baggage, it also gives you a rough estimate of how much in total you're going to be spending with that specific airline. So you would like to check with that. So with Air Canada, it's $30. And it shows you for each thing. With Swoop, it's a bit more expensive. So, and then WestJet, it's also $30 as well. Swoop is more expensive, as you guys can see right there. So with that, you would add up your whole entire total and see how much you would be spending with the airline. So you would like to also check with cancellation fees to see if you can change your flight and anything in case of emergency or you can't fly on that day. So right now I chose my decision, which I went with Air Canada. And right now I'm just writing down my total in my handy dandy notebook. You guys need a notebook so you guys can keep track of all the totals of stuff, so you can make a grand total in the end. So if you guys don't stay at a private house, which I normally do stay at a private home, you might want to check with either an Airbnb or a hotel. With Airbnb, you just go and you search which city you want to stay in. So I put Ochi, and I put the days that I would like to stay there. And when you enter everything, you get all your options of places you can stay. You can find which Airbnb you prefer based on how much you're trying to spend. And you can click, you can select through pictures, you can read the reviews, you can read for the amenities to also help you with your decision. It also shows you on the map where each of the places are located. So here you see I selected my option, and it shows any discounts and anything, and it shows you the fee. So I also add that as well with my airline ticket, with the baggage and the Airbnb. So in total, everything has a grand total of $1,151.82.
So you guys got to see my total on my flight, and for if I want to stay in an Airbnb, and for my baggage. You guys got to see that. If you guys are interested in doing like tourist attractions, you guys can go on like the website of certain stuff. Like for instance, there's like Dunn's River, Dolphin Cove, but unfortunately due to COVID right now, those places are closed. But there are some other places. I believe like Mystic Mountain is open. Like if you want to see how much it is to like do that as a travel attraction. You can go on their website and you can book over their website. You don't need to have a travel agent to do that for you guys. Guys, it is just very simple. You just need an internet, your laptop or a phone, and a credit card or a Visa debit. It's so simple, so easy to do. All you need is like a notepad to like keep track of everything and the cost of everything. So guys, that it's so easy, guys. It's super easy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to share it with no mother, no father, no sister, no brother, no uncle, no everybody, yeah? And stay tuned for the next video, which is Vlogmas Day 22. Later.